Okay, guys, today is the moment of truth. Let's see if this is a success so far. Now, I don't know. We're going to find out together here. Welcome back to Blessings from the Garden, guys. I am Soroya, and thank you for tagging along with us this morning. Let's see if the worm bin that we did about 2 or 3 weeks ago is a success. All right. All right. Guess I have to go through to see. Ugh, this is the messy part. All right, guys, this is an epic fail. I'm not even seeing one of the 6 red wigglers in here. Not sure if the conditions weren't right for them. But of course, we're not going to give up. We're not going to give up. This feels a bit too wet for my liking. We had some rain, so I guess the rain seeped in through the little holes here. So I guess we'll have to put it somewhere. Oh yes, we should have placed it in the greenhouse. So I guess we'll have to put it somewhere where rain won't get to seep in through the hose because this is very damp. All right, but we're gonna start over and try. We're gonna do a bit of research to see what are the best conditions and redo this with you. So you're coming along on the journey for this. All right. Yes. All right, guys, this is it. Oh, we have some little tea going on here. So I'm going to put these in the garden, both of them in the garden, and then do a fresh batch in a couple weeks time. So I'm going to start the process all over again with you on camera because we are very transparent like that. So see you in the next one. Do have yourselves a beautiful day. All right. And remember, do start that garden one container at a time.